1.6 coordinate plane. I can graph on a coordinate plane.
Are we feeling comfortable with that?
Yeah.
Just for a show of hands, how many of you were comfortable graphing on a coordinate plane before we started the notes today? Awesome, good. Probably the big thing here today, guys, is you have to use the vocabulary. You know that in this classroom, use the vocabulary. You can't just say for the origin the start. It's not the start, it's the origin. You could also call it 0, 0, or ordered pair 0, 0. X-axes, Y-axes, we don't say the horizontal or the vertical. That's how you define them, but they are the X and the Y. Ordered pair, we don't call them the two coordinates, we call them ordered pair. And then quadrants, obviously we have 4 of the quadrants listed above your head or in the back of the room. Number 2 then, I'm going to go to your next page. I'm not concerned as much about quadrant 1, 2, 3, and 4, but I am concerned about the values of quadrant 1, 2, 3, and 4. You need to understand that quadrant 1 is positive, positive, because if you start at the origin, which way do we go first, X or Y? So X is that way on a number line, which is positive, and then if you're going to go up into quadrant 1, that would be up, yes, no?
Yes.
So that's also positive. If you're going to go to quadrant 2, you're going negative and then positive, right?
Yes.
So negative 5. If you're going to quadrant 3, you're going negative and then negative, right? You get the idea? Okay. And then obviously we have all of the points listed there. And then number 4, we just graphed. You should hopefully understand why 3, 4 is marked, where 3, 4 is marked, or point A, and so on and so forth. And then I think the brand new thing for you was, how do you get from D to B using an ordered pair? Should we go up first, or should we go left first?
Left.
So is that negative or positive? Negative, and then up is
Positive.
so you just count how many places you went over. Yes, no?
Yes.
Questions?